I finished my first version of the Metahuman dressing and changing program. And if I go in here, first of all, you add, and this is a wardrobe room, and I'm not sure exactly how I'll set it up at the end, but you need to put in this blueprint, NPC character blueprint, and we'll switch them 90 degrees. I notice it's a millimeter on the floor there, but anyway, so it just brings in this red character. Now, what I do is in order to change it, you execute an editor utility, and I'll probably have these built in with buttons and such down the road. But anyway, you run it, and this metahuman is selected, so I put all the metahumans in a data table now with all the information needed to do this. So that took me a couple of days. But I can change it to a different body type, and it changes it away. Or Brian, or Chandra, or Danielle, or Ada. So I can change them to any character, and you see it changes all the textures and changes every one of the various things to do. So I can, let's make it Ada, and let's put her in a pair of skinny jeans. And this is, you can change the material, and I do have the buttons. So I mean the textures, thumbnails. So I could make this into a bunch of buttons to click on instead of a drop down. But anyway, in any case, let's put her in a long sleeve shirt and some shoes. Some running shoes, that looks like. And there you go. And I could save her to, let's call her Ada Runner. So it's Ada Runner, and I can save it. And what it's done is it saved that to a data table in the background. And so what happens is this is a completely data-driven now metahuman. So if I go over to a different map, my main map, I don't need to say, I'll save it. That just means I can come back to this and do it. And there's nothing in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in again just the character base, right? And it'll put in that character, but it's not. So what do you do to configure it? What you do now is you configure it by going in here and saying, I want you to use a variant, and you can put whichever variant you want. Like what did I call it? I called her Ada Runner, I believe. Okay, and nothing changes, you see here, because it's a play. It's runtime. It changes it at runtime. So if I say play, there will become Ada. Will be in here now, wearing her outfit that was chosen, and it's fully ready for to be able to go use in animations. So if I say M to bring up this one, I can say the character. It says NPC character base, and I may have it say Ada, or Ada Runner in the future. And I can pick a test animation, so let's have her. This is how many animations I have loaded now, which is in the hundreds. Let's do some dancing, Ada. Yeah. So there you go. So I've got a complete working metahuman, where you can change the metahuman, you can dress the metahuman, and you can have up to 66 different metahumans. You can stick the metahuman in a level, it's the character in a level, character base in a level, and tell it to be a certain character, and it'll look like that character. So if I stop this now, and you see it's like it looks like this. But I go back in here and change one. I had one I just made previously called Amy, and what it will do, hopefully, I start it, and Amy will show up. This is a different avatar. So different figure with little Amy. And Amy, I could, again, Amy's had too much to drink. Yep. So there you go. It's I'm done with this as far as I'm concerned. A little bit of cleanup, and then I'm going to move on to some other things. Start using them and start building up my planned interactive cinema.